Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to access the templates provided by Murf.ai. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply search for Murf.ai. Sign in if you already have not. And once you have signed in, on the left hand side, that is the left tab, you can find something like Home, Shared with Me, and Templates. Simply click on the templates. Now you can see there are about 12 templates made available by Murf.ai. From shoes promo, adventure buddy, charging networks to many of these things. You can choose from whichever you wish. I'm simply gonna select this one, music podcast intro, and clone it. You can give a name to the clone project. You can simply edit it here. I'm just gonna leave it as it is and click on clone. Well, as you can see, the project has been successfully cloned and you can play it.
Are you ready to rock and roll?
You can edit it as well. You can add new blocks. You can import scripts and do many things from here. Well guys, this is how you access templates made available by Murf.ai on your workspace. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.